everyone, welcome to Curry TV. Today I'd like to share Lima beans recipe with you. Have you ever tried Lima beans? It's very common in Asian restaurants, Asian recipes. This is the hero. It falls under the family of beans, but it comes in various sizes, all right? Don't get scared about it. These are really nice. It has a flavor, a slight flavor of sweetness in it, just like snap peas. I'll show you how we are going to be preparing this. Let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. I got coconut oil, green chilies, shallots, salt to taste, grated coconut. I'm going to be using my spice box, so I got our mustard and turmeric from here, and of course our curry leaves. So let's take a look how we're going to prep this. So when cutting these Asian vegetables, I prefer to do the traditional way how my mom used to do it. So we have our fingertip gloves, and slightly in a slanted way you can cut all these Lima beans. If you have a food processor, feel free to do so, and it's very easy. Just cut both the ends, and then there's a fiber that attaches to it, so you can just peel that off. That comes off on both sides of these. Okay, in the meantime, let's heat up our pan and we will get this party going. Pan is going to be nice and hot. Pouring in our coconut oil. Into that we need our mustard from our spice box. So that is about a teaspoon and a half of mustard. Once that starts to splutter, let's add in our shallots along with our green chilies. Green chilies is according to your taste. If you like it spicy, add more green chilies. If not, if you're worried that you're going to bite along with these Lima beans, you could use red crushed peppers. The mustard is almost done doing its dance. We're going to add our shallots. A little bit of our green chilies. Few leaves of curry leaves. You can rip it apart or you can just add it as is. Okay, let's add our Lima beans to the dish. Along with some turmeric powder. Not a whole teaspoon, just a little bit. It also depends on what type of turmeric powder that you're using. If it is a store-bought one, it might make a very yellowy color. So please taste and see how your turmeric powder is going to be. We bring ours from India, so it's homely made, I guess. I want to say. Let's saute that well into the mix. That caramelized shallots just add a little bit more flavor. Usually kids love this recipe. Okay, so to cook the Lima beans, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes is the maximum that it needs. If you close it and cook for like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, it should be done. So towards the end, I'm going to be adding our grated coconut. So let's cover these baby up and cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, done deal. Let's add our grated coconut. This is totally optional. If you don't like coconut, you don't have to, but in stir fry we usually do. And a little bit of salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, that's why it's pink. A third of a cup of grated coconut, and it's done. All right, our tasty Lima bean stir fry is ready. So good, as you can tell. This is a very big hit in our family. So if you have any picky eaters that do not like this, it is kind of like a fun balance where they get to eat their greens at the same time it's good for them. So try it out. Let me know in the feedbacks how it turned out for you. If you have any suggestions or whatnot, you know how to reach out to me, right? See you next time. Bye-bye.